Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy, and today I'm dropping a news bomb so massive that it's gonna shake the very foundation of the smartphone industry. You know how a lion stalks its prey in complete silence, but when it finally roars, the entire jungle trembles. Well, that exact moment is here. That legendary brand that made Silicon Valley giants dance on its fingertips for years, the brand that literally taught the world the real definition of professionalism, is rising from the ashes like a phoenix. BlackBerry is back, and this time they ain't bringing no ordinary phone. Nah, they're bringing a beast so insane that Apple and Samsung headquarters have already issued a red alert. Presenting BlackBerry's most dangerous and powerful smartphone ever, the BlackBerry Titan 5G. Design and display. First up, let's talk about the design and display, because the second you lay your eyes on this thing, you'll be taking a trip down memory lane while simultaneously catching a glimpse of the future. BlackBerry has officially said a permanent goodbye to their iconic physical keyboard. Why? Because they've given this phone a display that looks like it literally time traveled here straight from the year 2050. We're talking about a massive 6.75-inch 4K micro OLED panel. And listen, this ain't no regular screen. The colors are so ridiculously realistic and razor sharp that if you see a water droplet on the screen, you'll genuinely believe your hand's gonna get wet if you touch it. But it's not just about the screen. The back panel is crafted from aviation-grade carbon fiber, yes, the same material used to build fighter jets. The second you hold this phone, it feels like you're holding a weapon. It doesn't just look premium like a rockstar, its durability is so next level that breaking it is practically impossible. Camera setup. Now let's get to the department that's setting the entire internet on fire, the camera setup. BlackBerry didn't play around here. They went all in with three monstrous sensors that are about to shatter every record in the smartphone world. The primary camera is a massive 200-megapixel ultra-vision lens, paired with the world's widest f1.2 variable aperture. We're talking about clicking pictures at 2 a.m. in pitch-black darkness that look like they were shot at high noon. Alongside that, you get a 50-megapixel ultra-wide shooter and a 12-megapixel periscope telephoto lens. The zoom on this bad boy is so powerful that you could spot the mascara on a bird's eyes from a mile away. Go ahead and stash your $2,000 DSLR in the closet, because this phone carries an entire Hollywood studio right in your pocket. And for the selfie lovers, there's a 50-megapixel advanced AI front camera that's gonna take your video calls and reels to a whole new level. Performance. Now let's talk about the brain inside this beast, the thing that sets it apart from every other phone out there. Pulsing at the heart of this device is the world's most advanced quantum Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 chipset. This processor was built in a fit of pure madness. And to fuel that fire, the company packed it with a blistering 16 GB of super-fast LPDDR6 RAM. Go ahead, open 50 apps in the background, do heavy 4K video editing, or run the most graphically intense games on the planet. This phone won't even break a sweat. The word lag simply does not exist in this phone's dictionary. On top of that, this is a supercharged 5G-ready device that'll expose you to data speeds you haven't even dreamed of yet. Battery life. And obviously, a monster this powerful needs a battery that can keep up. That's why BlackBerry equipped it with a massive 6500 mAh graphene battery. Thanks to graphene tech, the phone won't overheat, and the battery life will absolutely shock you. And when it's time to charge, they're throwing in a 120-watt hypercharger right in the box. You'll just sit down to sip a cup of coffee, and by the time you're done, this phone will have gone from 0 to 100%, boom, done. Price and launch date. Now the million-dollar question. What's the price of this ultimate gadget, and when is it hitting the market? Look, with the kind of tech and swag you're getting here, the price tag of around $1,000 is totally justified. This phone isn't just a device, it's a whole status symbol. Mark your calendars right now, because this storm is set to crash into the global tech market in the final week of December 2026. So, ladies and gentlemen, the big question is, can BlackBerry snatch back its lost crown from Apple and Samsung with the Titan 5G? And more importantly, will you ditch your iPhone and make this BlackBerry beast your next daily driver? Drop your honest thoughts in the comments below, because your opinion is the real power behind this revolution.